It's 2025, and let's be honest, if you're still grinding at a 9 to 5 without using AI, you're already falling behind. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a workforce revolution. Companies around the world are automating faster than ever, and individuals are quietly replacing entire departments with a few powerful tools. So today, we're diving into 5 AI platforms that are literally replacing full-time jobs. Not in the future, but right now. First up, ChatGPT 5. The new version isn't just for chatting, it's running small businesses. From writing emails and sales pages to building full websites using GPT-powered coding, this model can automate the communication backbone of any company. Next is Midjourney V7, the AI artist that's taking over creative departments. Designers who once spent hours on concepts now generate brand-ready visuals in minutes. Ads, logos, thumbnails, all from a single prompt. Marketing teams are quietly downsizing because one skilled user with a creative prompt can do the work of 5 people. Third, meet Autopod AI, a video editor that understands pacing, storytelling, and jump cuts. It can edit YouTube content, podcasts, and even TikToks automatically, syncing B-roll, adding subtitles, and cutting dead air while you sleep. The average video editor can take hours. Autopod does it in minutes. Fourth, there's Synthesis Studio, the voiceover and avatar generator replacing on-camera talent. You can create a realistic presenter, generate a script, and have a virtual host deliver it in any accent, language, or tone. Entire YouTube channels are being run by AI presenters right now, making thousands every month with no human voice ever recorded. And finally, we've got Agent Forge, the AI automation system that acts like a personal assistant on steroids. It integrates all your tools, Gmail, Notion, Slack, Canva, Sheets, and executes tasks in real time. You can literally say, schedule a campaign, analyze sales data, and send me the results, and it'll do it. No employees, no meetings, no excuses. Together, these tools are reshaping what work even means. We used to think automation would take decades to arrive, but it's already here, quietly replacing jobs while creating new opportunities for those willing to adapt. So before you laugh at the idea of AI taking over your 9 to 5, remember, the people using these tools aren't losing their jobs. They're building empires. The question is, will you adapt before it's too late? Because in 2025, it's not humans versus AI. It's humans using AI versus humans who don't.